to another YouTube video. So in this video, you are going to see me repurpose this bar cart that we received from Marcus Mentor. So we received the bar cart and I love that it was vintage, and I'm actually going to show you briefly of how vintage it is later on in the video. And I didn't want to do too much to this bar cart because we may bring it back to its natural state sometime. So we don't really know, but for now, I did want to show you just how it looks. So it has like bruises here and there, rust, I mean like some tear. But this set is from the white furniture collection. And again, you know that I am going to put this into the music room because I felt like it was a good vibe, you know, have wine, have a little drink in the music room. So I'm actually gonna keep a lot of the elements the same, far as like the wheels and the buttons that the cart had on it. So I'm gonna actually keep those the original color. I didn't know what I wanted to do with the middle part of this. I wanted to keep it original, so I think I'm just going to paint the other side instead of doing anything with the gray side that you just seen. So this is me here, just showing you how it looks, and just pretty much what color. I was trying to get a feel of what I wanted to do, like what color I wanted to paint it, what I wanted to use again, because I wanted it to be easy coming off of this if we do decide to use this natural wood color here. So I decided to go with black. And then, okay, so here is the video where I'm showing you how much this bar cart cost. And you will see later on, this is why I didn't want to permanently paint it a color. So this is going at like $6,000. Now granted, the one that's showing is in great condition. This is actually an older one. Again, we did receive this from Marcus Mentor. And it does show like scars, not really scars, but just dents and things of that sort. So I didn't want to do much coloring, like use anything permanent on this, just because I know that we're going to keep this for a long time and we may want to bring the wood color back. So this is the bar cart that I found online, and again it's going for $5,000, and I've actually seen one of these go for about $8,000 at the most. So that's it. All right, so I know that I didn't want to use permanent paint on this because again I may want to change it. So I started off with doing paint, but then I changed it and I actually found some washable spray paint. So I only did one coat of this and it really turned out good because you can actually see some of the wood come through here. Again, I only did like one coat of spray paint. You can see now I'm actually spray painting it on. I'm covering the knobs because I do want to keep the knobs the same color as well as the wheels, to give it that rustic vintage look. And yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. Racks on this, so so I can hang my wine glasses here. So now you will see me hanging the racks on the cart. Now I did get these racks from Amazon, and thankfully the way that this cart is made, it actually had like a dent in the middle of it, so I actually only needed to drill holes in the cart for them to actually stay up. And so this is what you see me doing now. Never mind my hair. I actually had just got finished blow drying it, but you will see me doing this. And I also needed help, so you'll see Marcus as well helping me throughout this process. Okay, so I wanted something inside of the bar cart, so I actually purchased this from Home Goods. And here is the final resort here, the bar cart that we repurposed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have for this, but this is Marcus cigars. We have a wine opener, a lighter. These are from Cuba that we brought back. These are some of his favorite cigars here. And I love the velvet that's inside here. Super nice here. Oh, let me show y'all that is. Here is the sticker that I was telling you guys about. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but yeah, so here it is. I don't know why my camera's not in the... Hope you guys liked it.